Hello everybody, my name is Niamh and I'm going to demonstrate Immersive Reader, which is a browser extension with a focus on executive functioning. So what exactly is Immersive Reader? As I said already, it's a free browser extension and it gives people the features and customization to make reading and browsing the web easier. It will read aloud any piece of highlighted text, word by word, and highlight each word as it's being read. You can control the pace, voice, and also change the background colour. Why should we use Immersive Reader? Well, it allows you to change the web to meet your own individual needs. It is much more than an accessibility tool, which you'll see from the demonstration. It has a translation feature as well as a picture dictionary that's perfect for younger users. So let's take a look now and see how it works. So here I am on a typical website, and if I want to activate my Immersive Reader extension, I simply highlight a piece of text. I'll just go as far as here. I can right click on it now, and there we can see Immersive Reader. When I click on Help Me Read This, I can open up my piece of highlighted text within Immersive Reader. Here's the piece of text opened up now in Immersive Reader that I highlighted. And I simply just click here and I can hear the words being read aloud to me. You'll notice that each word is being highlighted as it's being read aloud. If I click here, I can control the voice and also the speed at which the text is being read. Then over here in text preferences, I can increase the font size, which is really useful for anyone with a visual impairment. And there you can see it taking effect. I can also increase or decrease the spacing between words by toggling on or off this button. And here's how you can change background colours. And this is really handy for any students who rely on colour overlays when reading. Within the grammar options, I can break each word into its syllables. I can have nouns or verbs and adjectives and adverbs highlighted, which is great for grammar lessons. And again, you can change the colours to suit your individual preferences. You can even have the various parts of speech labelled, like so. In reading preferences, you have what's known as line focus. It eliminates this visual crowding that some people experience when reading. With line focus activated, it will read back one line at a time, like so. This feature really takes the stress out of reading for anyone with literacy difficulties. You can see here that picture dictionary is activated. I'm just going to toggle this one off. If I click on a word in a text, then I will get a visual representation of the word itself. So I'm just going to click on person. And here you can see the visual representation of the word. And again, this is an excellent tool for our younger readers or our EAL learners. And finally, we have the option to translate the text into another language. You can translate word by word, like so. And there you see the Irish translation below. Or you can decide to translate the entire document. And there you can see it's all after being translated into Irish. So that's my demonstration on Immersive Reader. So just to answer a few frequently asked questions, Immersive Reader is a free web browser extension and it's currently available on Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Microsoft Edge web browsers. You can have a maximum of 1,000 characters read aloud at a time. And finally, it doesn't work in Google Docs, but there is a workaround. So to activate your Immersive Reader on your Google Doc, you simply publish your Google Doc to the web first, and then you can have the text read aloud using the Immersive Reader extension. So thanks for watching, and please follow us on our Twitter account @GEG Ireland.